Hello friends, I'm Prachi and today I'm going to talk about how you can release all the sadness that you have in your mind whenever things are not happening according to you, whenever things are not going according to you, whenever you have expected something and things are not going according to you, you feel really sad, you feel really depressed. So we will release out all the resistance that we have inside us, that we had thought that things will happen according to our way and it didn't happen. Maybe the universe had a good plan for you. Who knows that? So we'll tap out, we'll release out all the resistance so that we are ready to receive what the universe wants to give us. Because the universe will only and only give you the best when you release all the resistance. When you release your own point of view, when you release your own perceptions, there is something best for you which you can get very easily. But because you are putting all the blockages, all the mind blockages, all your expectations are coming in between, so that's why the universe is not able to give you what you really truly deserve. So let's tap it out. We will release the resistance. So starting from your hand point, guys, come on. Just tap along with me, all those people who are watching my video. When you tap, you release out all the resistance, all the negativity, you relax your mind and body. As you tap on this acupuncture point, these acupuncture points are connected to the energy meridians of your body. It releases out all the blocked energy channels and it gives you a clear thinking and it gives you a calm state of mind. So friends, let's tap it out and release out all that which is not allowing you, all your expectations, all the positives and negatives, all these are resistance and mental blockers which are not allowing you to move ahead in your life. So let's tap on your hand point. Even though I feel really sad. I feel really sad. Even after putting so much of efforts, things did not go the way I wanted. I feel really bad about it. I feel really sad about it. I feel really depressed about it. What I had thought didn't turn out the way I always wanted. Still, I deeply and completely love, honor, respect myself even in this situation. Even if things did not turn the way I wanted, I tried my level best. Things did not turn out the way I wanted and I felt really bad about it. Whatever I had expected, I did not get it. Still, it's okay. I still can overcome this situation. I still can let go this situation because this situation is not bigger than me. I am bigger than this situation. I am bigger than all those people who have hurt me, who have not fulfilled my expectations. I am bigger than every problem. Maybe this problem had come in my life to teach me something, to give me great lessons, so that I can give myself and gift myself the best that I truly deserve. Even though I feel really sad about it, I feel really disturbed about it. I expected something and it didn't happen, but still it's okay. Maybe there were some precious lessons that I had to learn from this situation. Maybe this is something which is karmic. Maybe this was supposed to happen. Still, I deeply and completely love, honor and accept myself in this situation. Now tap on your eyebrow point. This sadness, all this sadness, all this bad feeling, all this pain, all this depression, things didn't turn out the way I wanted, and it always happens with me like this. It's been happening with me since so many years. Whatever I expect, there is something bad that happens. Maybe I had to learn some great lessons. Maybe these situations, these people are making me more stronger, more wise, more intelligent, more knowledgeable, so that I can help more people in future. This situation has come in my life so that I can learn from this situation and move to the greater destiny. all this sadness. Tap on under the armpit. This is one of the point, friends. Tap on under the armpit. Yes. All this sadness, all this resistance of resisting this sadness, all this resistance of resisting this situation, all this resistance of resisting of what is happening. I'm resisting it all the time, that it should not happen, it should not happen, it should not happen. Whatever happened, I don't accept it. Whatever has happened, it's not acceptable to me. I'm resisting the current reality. I'm resisting the truth of the present moment. What if I don't resist it? What if it just flows through me and I just move through it like river? What if I just flow like water in this situation? What if I don't allow this situation to affect me? And what if this situation, this problem doesn't affect me anymore? What if I release all the resistance? I imagine how my life would be without resisting the what is. It is what is. I don't need to resist it. Neither I need to accept it. It is just as it is. What if I just become neutral about the situation? It's okay. And it's completely fine to accept it. I release all the resistance. I release all the resistance. I allow myself to release all the resistance of accepting this situation. I don't need to resist it. Resisting can create more suffering to me. So I just need to release all that pain, all that depression, all that sadness, all that bad feeling, all that hurt which this situation has given me, which these people have given me. I just allow myself to let it go. I just allow myself to flow with life, because the more I flow with life, the more good results, the more opportunities are awaiting for me. The more I release this resistance and the more I accept this situation as a learning for me, there are so many good opportunities, there are so many good things that are waiting for me in the path of my life. This is not the only thing that I had desired. There are so many great things that are going to come on my way that can give me a sense of happiness and fulfillment. Maybe these lessons were really, really important and valuable so that I could get there. These lessons were really important. If I didn't got these lessons, I could never reach there. This bad situation which didn't happen according to my way, this is a great lesson, and this lesson was really important for me in the next phase of my life, and I just choose to take it as a lesson. Life is the best teacher, and it's fine. I just need to take it very lightly. It's okay, it's fine, it's okay, it's fine. I release all the sadness. I release all the expectations from this situation. I release all my perceptions, projections about this, all these people who were involved in this situation, about this situation, about this problem. I release all my projections and expectations, and I allow myself to just set free. I allow myself to feel free of it. I am feeling free. I am feeling free of this situation. I am feeling free of this situation. I am feeling free of all the bondages which is not allowing me to move ahead. I am feeling free. I am feeling free. I am feeling free of this situation. I am feeling free of this situation. I am just releasing myself. It's okay. It's fine. Just take a deep breath and release out yourself completely from this situation. It's okay. It's fine. Thank you, universe, for giving me the great lessons, and I'm really, really grateful for this. So friends, as you tap along with this, just measure the intensity, how you're feeling right now. The intensity had come down. If it is not come down to zero, you can just repeat it again and again, so that you come out of this resistance, you come out of this sadness, you come out of this depression, because this is nothing but the resistance of the present situation. You are not accepting the present situation. It was supposed to happen like this, and it happened because of your karmic bondages, because of the karmas that you had in your past life. So friends, just release it out and move ahead in your life. You don't need to get stuck into this situation. There are so many good things the universe wants to give you. There are so many good opportunities that universe is waiting to give you. So friends, just repeat this video once again. If you are feeling still stuck and depressed and sad, just keep on repeating it and keep on releasing it all the time. Thank you so much, and do join the EFT club on Thursday. We have a EFT club on Thursday, and in that we do a group healing on different topics. Okay, so just subscribe to my channel and spread this video to as many as people you can, so that you can help them to come out of their situations, their life. Thank you so much.